Hello guys, welcome back to TechnoJob. Today I'm going to share another best opportunity for you guys in this lockdown periods. So TCS offering virtual internship program and TCS iON remote internship program for the students who are currently in the final year and who has recently passed out their graduations. And this internship program is also for second year and third year of the graduation like BTech, and if you are from MTech also and you are currently pursuing your MTech program in the any colleges or university, you can also apply for this. So the eligibility for this is if you, either you are pursuing BTech, MTech, MCA, BSc, MSc or any other technical degree, you can apply for this internship. And this internship is totally online. You will stay at your home, and from home itself you will do the internship and you will get hands-on experience on the various technology provided by TCS. And TCS offering 100 plus internship in this program, and that will be from different companies. So don't forget to enroll in this program because it will be very beneficial for you guys in the campus placement. Even if you even if you submit this certificate to placement cell, you'll get the academic credit as well. So let us discuss TCS iON remote internship program. Now I request everyone here, please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any such update from us. So TCS iON launches remote internship products to connect a student with industry mentor. Data consultancy service digital internship product is aligned to AICTE guideline and helps students learn from the industry and earn academic credits. Right? So you'll get academic credit also, and you'll get the certificate as well. That certificate will be most valuable. Okay, so please just enroll for this course. Okay. So TCS virtual internship 2020 details. So details are here. You read it carefully, all those things, and then enroll for the internship. So the link will be provided in the description of the video. You can go to the link and apply for the internship. Right. Here we have also provided the free online courses link. Once you click on that, you will go to the number of free online courses from various institutions like Harvard University, AICT, Accenture, free online course by MIT, and many more top universities. TCS is also offering free online certification course. You can do that also. If you have not registered yet, you can still register for the TCS online free certification course, that is for 15 days, and you'll get the certificate for free. So don't forget to register for TCS certification course as well. So now let us back to TCS virtual internship program. Okay, so it is powered by the TCS iON digital learning platform. Remote internship provides a structured learning environment with access to industry mentor, industry curated learning material, project. So you will be working on hands-on project as well, and the videos or webinars. Intern can also interact with and share ideas with peers and mentors through a social format. Okay, so please read all those things and then apply for it. So we have given direct link to apply for the internship. Once you click here, you'll go to the official page of the TCS iON hub. So here TCS iON remote internship program. So here you accept these cookies from the website, and then you'll go to the various, read it carefully. So we have 3 or 4 packages here. So TCS iON Rio 45, 125 and 210. So 45 means 45 hours of internship, and 125 means 125 hours of internship, and 210 means 210 hours of internship with the project and the guidance also. So if you want to choose 45 days of 45 hours of internship, you click on this, and you need to register for it. So registration price is here 1199, because it is paid internship, and you will get enormous opportunity here. So it's not a free, it's a paid internship, and you'll get more things to learn here. Right, so click on the register now, and you will go to this login page. So you can log in if you have already account on TCS iON. If you don't have account, you can simply sign up. So if you don't have account, you can sign up here, Now fill the details, name, email ID and all, and sign up for this course. Okay, so likewise you can enroll for the TCS virtual internship program. Now if you have further doubt and you need any clarification, please drop a comment in the comment section below and you will get reply as early as possible. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon also. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. You can also share with your friends as well. Thank you so much again.